What's up guys, it's Shamsi with a new video. Thank you for tuning in once again, and today we're going to be installing some rear diffuser plates. I was going to say carbon fiber just now. Rear diffuser plates from CM Composites, and I've been searching for a CLIO 200 rear diffuser for about 8 months. None in the market. I don't feel like paying £400 to £500 for a brand new one. Yeah, that's not happening. So I went with these diffuser plates. In my opinion, I think they look really good. It might be a Marmite thing, but about £33 or £34, £34.99. But then I use a discount code. So yeah. So let's open up this box and see what it looks like. I already took the diffuser off the car. If you haven't seen my diffuser video, go check it out. And I explained how to take a diffuser off. I can't speak because I'm extremely tired, but yeah, let's get this video cracking, mate. So this is what the plates look like in the packaging. Comes with this. My trousers, these are my work trousers. So in here are a bunch of hardware. One there. Another bag full of them. Let's put these to the side. Let's take this out. Try to figure out how it goes. It's literally just a plate, a gloss black plate. Now, I don't know what I was expecting, but it's just a bent plate. Yeah, anyway, we're gonna mount this, but I'm gonna use my own method of mounting it because it came with no instructions whatsoever, so I'm gonna have to send it and wing it. So okay, cool. So your diffuser should be off the car at this point, and then you're going to get the new CM composite diffuser and line it up with those 4 ridges that you see and use tape to secure it down. I never had any masking tape, so I just use regular cello tape, but I put a little bit on. You don't want to leave it on for a long time because it's going to mess up the gloss and the lacquer and the finish. So those are the first steps, what you're going to have to do. So the next steps which you're going to have to do is to map out where you're going to be drilling exactly. So this is what I did on the screen here, and then obviously I lined it up, make sure that everything is where it's meant to be. Cool. You are going to need a 6mm drill bit and an electric drill. 6mm goes literally straight over it. This looks a bit wrong anyway, and you're going to need a 10mm socket and a 10mm spanner. Now those are your steps. Now you're going to want to line it up perfectly. Like, I fucked it up at this point, to be honest. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I fucked it up, but I saved myself because then I moved it over so the washer can sit directly in to the actual ridges. And also you have to note as well that inside the ridges it gets more narrow as you put it in. So tape everything down, and yeah, now you're ready to start drilling. Okay, cool. So the reason why we put tape down is so that when we're drilling it catches, so it doesn't split any of the material. And yeah, once you start drilling there's no going back. And I drilled all 8 holes and it's ready for the hardware to be placed in. Okay, cool. So now you're gonna want to brush off any loose debris that you have on the diffuser and your new diffuser, and then you want to line up everything, make sure you got all the right hardware, and then you're gonna want to zip tie this one back into place. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You literally just screw it in just like it's meant to be, and look at that, mate. Oh, sweet as that. Okay guys, so the diffuser has been put together. I zip tied the heat shielding for the exhaust onto the diffuser. You guys are probably gonna say, oh, it's gonna get too hot. Well, I don't have the stock exhaust, so you have some parts on the diffuser that is relatively not as hot as it was once before. So now what you're gonna want to do is slap it onto the car. The same way how you took it off is the same way how you put it on. And yeah, big shout out to CM Composites. The diffuser looks amazing. I'm probably finished with my CLIO 200 diffuser search. That's the thing, you can also use it for a CLIO 200. So with this CM composite diffuser plate, it kind of stands out. Like if you do what I do and get the big exhaust tip, it does make the car look a lot better in my opinion. Yeah, like you guys know what my car looks like. You've seen it all on Instagram, and if you haven't, follow me on Instagram at Shamsi. It's literally the same as my YouTube name. You can't get it wrong. Type in Shamsi anywhere, I'm gonna pop up, right? That's me, right? Everybody knows who I am because I'm that guy. Anyway, so yeah, looked on the website again. The diffuser plate costs $35.99, but then you can also use their discount code to get 10% off, which in total I paid what, £32 something, and I got it in 2 days time. Quick shipping from Parcel Force. Pretty stoked on that. Yeah, so the rear end for my car is completely complete, and yeah, there's nothing else really to do with the rear, but I do need to get the OEM front splitter for the front, and I need to get the side skirts as well, and then it might be complete. I lied, it's not gonna be complete because I still need to wrap the car. I still need to do so much stuff. Like I'm trying to get the Mercedes A-Class, you know, the diffuser for the rear A-Class, not the diffuser, the bumper lining, how it tucks in like a little duck. I want to put that on the CLIO. Someone already has done it, but they did it with fiberglass. Obviously they're not going to do it for anyone else because you know, one of a kind, but I'm gonna do it for my car, mark my words. And yeah, without further ado, it's been your boy Shamsi, and he's signing out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe, and even share it with your friends. I'm trying to get well known in the Renault community. I'm pretty known, for good and bad reasons. For bad reasons, nah, I'm not hated for bad reasons, you know. There is no bad reasons apart from the middle-aged men that are just a bit too touchy. But other than that, it's been your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace. Wait, what the fuck was that? Peace.